gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's subscription box Saturday, and on this video I have for you my July Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription. I just love this one, guys. I look forward to this one every single month. So without further ado, let's see who the fandom is for July. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. Woo! Nice holography kind of bag. Super cool. Okay, let's dig in here. Right, get everything out of there. I did. Okay, looks like Harley Quinn. Am I right? Yes. So Harley Quinn is the fandom for this month. I'll be 100% honest with you guys. I don't know anything about her. I knew that was her, but that's the extent of my knowledge. They have a full item list of everything that's included in this. And we're going to go ahead and start with this 4x6 art print from Megan E. Risk. I'm guessing that's who they're all from. They are all so incredibly awesome, though. I'm definitely going to do something really cool with them at some point, and I will have it in a video sometime. I don't know when. All right, the rest is in here. Let's see what we got, guys. Ooh. Double eyeliner. Oh, they have eyeliner in here. How about that, guys? Let me get their little card here. Sorry, that was like unexpected. I don't know if this is just a bonus. Oh no, heart-shaped face stamp eyeliner. Oh, it's a heart-shaped face eyeliner. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, yes, please. So I guess Harley Quinn has those little hearts on her face. That is really cool. What a great idea for this. I love this subscription, guys. I got this one on Cratejoy. I don't know exactly how much I pay per month, but I'm sure I'll pop that up for you guys. But yeah, so fun. Look at that, guys. All right. Oh, yes, please. That is so cool. I am definitely going to be experimenting with this. And then I guess this side is the eyeliner part. That is cool, guys. I'm super stoked about that. Oh, that's so fun. Okay, so here's the jewelry. It's in this little bag here. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got this month. Guys, this one is so worth whatever it is I pay for it. So there's a ring in here. Let me get it out, though, before I even try to show it to you guys. Oh, it says Harley on it. That's cute. Can you guys see that? I hope. I'm not really sure. The only way I can tell is when I play this back. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I can put it on this finger, but I don't know how well you're gonna see it with that other ring. But there you go. All right, then we have a super awesome necklace. Hello. This is cool. Oh, I love this. Oh, wow, guys. I hope you guys can see this. I always play this back, and I always see that you don't really see it very well, but I hope that you're getting it. It is super pretty. I'm really excited about it. Okay. Ooh, these are fun. Oh, yes. Guys, they kill it every single month with this subscription. I love this one. Look at these earrings. How fun. Those are so fun. I love them, guys. So super excited. Okay, so I can tell you guys right now that I'm going to be doing some Instagram photos, like dressing up like these, like doing outfits with all of these accessories that they send to me. I think that'll be super fun. Here's the pin for this month. I'm not a pin person, but they've definitely turned me into one. I absolutely love the pins that they send in the subscription. They're always super cool. But yeah, I'm going to start doing outfits with all this stuff because I just think that would be really fun. So I'm going to start posting. I might do some videos too with it, but here's the magnet for this month. They send you a magnet as well. And honestly, guys, I can't have too many magnets. I got plenty of fridge space to fill. Awesome. Okay, so the final item. What is this? How do I open it? Here we go. Ooh, soft. What is it? Oh, it's a pillowcase. Oh, that's fun. So here we go, a pillowcase. How cool is that, guys? It's the same on both sides and super soft. Well, that's fun. Right? Okay, guys. Again, this was the Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription. You can find it on Cratejoy. I'll have a link in the description box below. They also have past boxes that you can buy on their website in case you are new to them and there are some boxes that maybe you missed, and they might have them available on their website. I picked up a lot of past boxes that I missed before I started my subscription, and I loved every single one. I'm just saying. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!